Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that Brahma Bhutah Prasannatma na shochati nyakangshati. One who has attained to the stage of Brahman, one who has come after coming to the stage of Vairagya and renunciation and detachment from this material world, completely situated on the spiritual platform. Na shochati na kangshati. No more hankering, no more running after material desires, no more lamentation for loss of material possessions. Then bhaktim labate param. Then that person comes to the stage of rendering devotional service to me. This is what Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. A live example of this, what Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita, is Prahlad Maharaj. About Prahlad Maharaj, the characteristics of Prahlad Maharaj are described by Narada Muni. Narada Muni, while describing the characteristics of Prahlad Maharaj, he said, Nyasta Kridanako Balo, Jadavan Tanmanastaya, Krishna Graha Grihitatma, Naveda Jagadidrisham. Prahlad Maharaj, what are his characteristics? Nyasta Kridanako Balo. He was a Balaha, he was a small child. As a 5-year-old child, normally children, you cannot separate them from playing. All children like to play. I remember in my childhood, in our road, in the street outside the home, we used to play cricket. Every day, come back from school and run, join the friends and start playing. After some time, mother will start calling, hey, come, come, come. I'll pretend as if I have not heard at all. And I'll look the other way. Then what will happen? Mother will come, catch the ear and pull and take. And I'll be crying, bawling, no, I want to play, Nothing doing. Come and sit and take bath and sit and study. So children, to separate children from playing is not possible. All children like to play. But this Prahlad Maharaj was such a personality. Nyasta Kridanako Balo. Even as a Bala, as a child, Nyasta Kridanakaha. He had rejected playing. He was never found playing frivolously with other children. That means even as a child, he had crossed over the threshold of childhood. He had gone beyond being a small child. He was not an ordinary child. Imagine a child who gives up playing. He refused to play. And not only was he not playing, Jadavan, he was like a Jada. He was so dull-headed. Dull-headed towards what? Was he mentally retarded? No, he was not mentally retarded. But then it appeared that he was very dull-headed. Why did it appear he was dull-headed? Because his teachers, Shanda and Amarka, they would teach him so many things about politics, diplomacy, exploitation, how to squeeze the maximum out of material nature, how to enjoy the senses. To all these teachings, he was Jadavad. It would not enter his head. Can you imagine that? Shanda and Amarka, two people are constantly drilling material knowledge into his head. It is not going in. He was on such an exalted spiritual platform that for us, normal people, no invitation is needed for sense enjoyment, right? Even if we are told don't enjoy the senses, we'll go and run after sense enjoyment. But look at Prahlad Maharaj. Somebody is coming and drilling constantly in his head. Enjoy the senses, enjoy the senses, enjoy the senses. It's not entering his head. Imagine the exalted spiritual position of Prahlad Maharaj. How did he reach such a position? Tan manastaya, because constantly tan manastaya, his manas, it was absorbed in Krishna. Tan manastaya. And not only that, Narada Muni uses a nice phrase. He says, Krishna graha grihitatma, because Prahlad Maharaj's soul had been captured by the graha of Krishna. Like we tell, no? Shanigraha Prajichapa. Shanigraha has affected him. Now his life is spoiled. When we say graha has taken effect, it is used in a negative sense. Oh, Rahu Dasha, Rahu Graha Vandarjipa. Now he is finished. His life is finished. Somebody is suffering very badly. Enna pandradappa, Shanigraham Prajichu. Avladhan. Our life avladhan. Mudinjichu. We say that. Shanigraha. Rahu Graha has come. Influence of Rahu Graha has come. His life is finished. Like that, Prahlad Maharaj was affected by which Graha? Not Shani, not Rahu, not Ketu. It was Krishna Graha. Krishna Graha Grihitatma. Prahlad Maharaj was captured by Krishna Graha. And because of that, what was Prahlad Maharaj's state? Na veda jagadi drisham. He could not understand how this material world is running after sense gratification. He just could not digest it. He could not understand. He could not comprehend it. This whole material world, suppose we go to the main road and stand there. We can see so many cars coming, zipping here, there, left, right, and center. There is a traffic light there. The vehicle is coming and parking. The guy is not able to control himself. He's going, there is one white line. Actually, the vehicles are supposed to stop behind the white line. But you will see, the car will come, then he's not able to control himself. Little forward he will go, then a little more. Then after the little while, one two-wheeler will come, he will go and park before him. Then another two-wheeler will come, he will go and take, he will see left, right, no vehicle is coming, red light, he will cross and he will go. Not able to control themselves. They are in such a big hurry, tearing hurry, they are all rushing here, left, right, left, right. When you look at them, what comes to your mind? What are these guys running after? We cannot relate with what these people are running after. They are running after money, after material position, after possessions. I want a house, I want a wife, I want to have a family. Actually, we have disconnected ourselves from that world. That is why when we sometimes go and meet people, they ask, when they look at us, they get astonished. At such a young age, what happened to you? How you became sadhu? What happened to you? Coffee and tea also you don't drink? What is this? Today is Ekadashi, I am fasting. Fasting, you fast also? My God, they get shocked when they see us. Because they cannot relate with us. When they look at us, they think, poor fellow, something has gone wrong. Or maybe house some problem. That's why he has run away. They cannot relate with us. And we cannot relate with them. When we look at them, we say, poor fellow, running after money. No idea, no brains. He has no understanding where he is going to go. He is going to die one day. Somehow, anyway, let me make him engage in Krishna's service. Take this mala, chant a little. You'll be happy. When we are looking at them, we are thinking, this mad fellow, what to do? When they look at us, they are thinking, poor fellow, something has gone wrong with his brain. You see, we also have lost the connection with that world. If we are taken and put into that world and told today that no, enough of your devotional life, you go earn a job and you earn your money and take care of yourself, we'll go mad. We cannot comprehend that. How? I have to earn money, I have to go take a job. What are you saying? It doesn't, we cannot relate with that. The world, we cannot relate with the world. So you can imagine Prahlad Maharaj, such an exalted devotee, he is Naveda Jagadidrisham. He could not understand how people in this material world are running after sense gratification. How they have turned away from Krishna. How can they remain oblivious of Krishna? How can they not render devotional service to Krishna? This is Prahlad Maharaj's vision. Somewhere, somehow, little bit, we also have got that vision. Why? Because we also have connected ourselves to such a personality who had no relation, no connection with the way this material world looks at material sense pleasure, which is our spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada. This is the power of association. Simply by connecting ourselves to Prabhupada, we also have become like that. We cannot relate with this, the way the people run after things in this material world. For them, one election is a big thing. Pandemic is such a big thing. Everyone is breaking their head. Oh, this is happening, that is happening. People are dying. We are morning, getting up, singing and dancing. Our singing and dancing is going on as it is. And in between some festival comes, feasting is also going on. We are least bothered. For us, it has no effect. Because our whole vision has changed. Because of our connection with Prabhupada, we have become disconnected from the material nature of this material world. Naveda Jagadidrisham. How this material world is running after sense gratification, how it is so concerned about material welfare of people, how it is so much oriented towards material sense gratification. We have no connection with them. We cannot relate with that. When we look at such people, we say, why are you wasting your life and time? Chant Hare Krishna, go back to Godhead. That is the first feeling that comes in our heart when we see a person. But then we don't express that openly, because if we tell that, that guy will go mad. So we don't say that. We say, okay, anyway, what to do? He cannot understand what I'm saying. Therefore, we tell, chant Hare Krishna, take a little prasadam, come to the temple whenever possible. Little by little, we try to introduce the knowledge to him so that he can also become mad like us. That is, once you are Krishna Graha Grihitatma, once Krishna Graha has fallen on you, that's all. You will never be able to relate with the material world in the normal way. You will not be able to engage in sense gratification. You cannot appreciate sense gratification the way the other people do. This is the reality of this material world.